In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set A4 size in PowerPoint. If you've ever struggled with formatting your slides for printing or distribution, then this guide is perfect for you. Let's jump right in and take it step by step. First, you want to open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have a presentation either created or ready to be edited. Once you're in PowerPoint, navigate to the particular presentation you're planning to work with. This opening step is crucial as it sets the stage for all the subsequent changes you'll be making to set your slide size to A4. After you have your presentation open, head on over to the Design tab, which you'll find in the top menu bar. The Design tab is where you'll find all the tools needed to modify the visual layout and size of your slides, and it's an essential part of customizing any presentation. Now, while you're in the Design tab, direct your attention towards the right hand side of the toolbar and look for the Slide Size button. Clicking on Slide Size will present you with options that determine what dimensions your slides will take. Next, you're going to want to click on Custom Slide Size. This is a very important step because it allows you to tailor the size of your presentation exactly to your needs. When you select this option, a new window will appear, giving you more detailed options for slide customization. Within this new window, you will find a drop-down menu labeled Slide Sized For. Click on this drop-down menu and browse through the different size options until you find A4. Selecting A4 is particularly useful when you intend to print your slides on standard A4 paper, or if you are sharing the document in regions where A4 is a standard paper size. Once you have selected A4, you'll be just about done. The final step is to click on OK. This will save your changes and apply the A4 slide size to your entire presentation. And there you have it, your PowerPoint presentation is now set to A4 size. If you need to check your work, you can return to the slide size options at any time to ensure that your settings are correct. This is an excellent way to ensure your slides meet specific size requirements, whether for printing, sharing online, or preparing for an international audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in navigating PowerPoint's customization features. Feel free to check out our other videos for more detailed guides on maximizing your PowerPoint potential.